Ooh! Oh my gosh, my lips. Hey my LWM crew, come through. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Missy. If you are returning, thank you. If you are new, welcome, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on that bell so you won't miss another video. So y'all, today's video is sponsored by iMethodMakeup. So thank you, iMethod, for sponsoring this video today. So they sent me some lip gloss. So before we get into this video, how about giving a like and comment down below? Yes, they sent me over some lip gloss. It is iMethodBeauty Power On Plumping Lip Gloss. I'm sorry y'all, but plumping lips. I believe my lips are already plump. I hope it don't make me look like Wanda from In Living Colors. I don't know, y'all, but that's what it says. Power On Plumping Lip Gloss. It is number 608. They did give me the option to choose what color I wanted. I don't remember what color I chose, but yeah, let's see what color I chose, y'all. So it is compact, as you can see. If you're one of those ladies or those girls or one of those women that like to carry your makeup in your purse, pocketbook, or pouch, or what have you, it's very small, very compact, that you can do so. So this is the color that I chose. I'm thinking that it was rose, maybe? Rose? But yeah, before I apply this to my lips, it says on here, note, you may experience a slightly intense tingle that can last up to 5 to 10 minutes. Apply only within perimeter of lips. Oh wow. It says if applied on skin, a temporary redness, I thought it was going to say rash, redness may occur. And oh wow. Okay, so this box is very interesting. It helps you notify them or keep in contact with them or keep connected with them. You can keep connected with them through Instagram, Twitter, and you can also keep in contact with them through customer service iMethodBeauty.com. So yeah, let's try it out, y'all. So this is what it's looking like. Okay, y'all, so let me tell y'all, I do not wear makeup, okay? But I would wear some lip gloss if it's some good lip gloss, but I have not worn any lip gloss in a long time because I really do not do makeup. But will this change my mind to at least wearing lip gloss every day or when I go out? Let's see. It said that it may give a tingle, y'all, but I'm gonna try. This is what it's looking like. Ooh. It smells like menthol. It smells like menthol. Yeah, so Let's make sure that I have enough. Now it say plumping, y'all. I already have plump lips. Hope I don't be looking like Wanda from In Living Colors. Is that what it is? In Living Colors? Comment down below. Do you guys remember watching Living Colors? But let's see. I do have a mirror over here to the side, y'all. So excuse me while I turn to the side a little bit, okay? Ooh! Oh my gosh. My lips. Ooh! OMG. Now I do like it. My lips are tingling. It said that it would be tingling for the next 5 to 10 minutes. But yeah. Look at your girl. Look at your girl. I'm so pretty. But yeah, it's good. The tingling is not that bad. The tingling is just like, you know, menthol. Like, ooh, I feel my lips plumping. But yeah, y'all, it's just a little tingle, little menthol tingle. It smells good, and so I do like it, y'all. I do recommend it. iMethodBeauty.com. So yeah, y'all, I do recommend this. I feel like my lips are plumping, but I already have plump lips anyway, so. But yeah, overall, it's pretty. I like it. I do recommend it. Thank you, iMethod, for sending over this lip gloss for me to review for you guys, for me to try. And yes, I do approve it. And I think I might just wear it sometimes when I go out and want to look pretty. But yeah, I don't wear makeup, but I will wear lip gloss. So yeah, you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. See you on my next video. Bye.